Good morning. Thanks for your company this Wednesday, the 16th of September. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, Wall Street has rallied for the second straight session, led by tech stocks bounding ahead again, while communications, real estate, investment trusts and discretionary stocks did well too, as investors are really playing to this big overarching theme that the economy can only improve from here. As for how the major indices wrapped up, well, the Nasdaq up the most again, 1.2%. The broader S&P 500 up 0.5%, while the Dow Jones ended flat, but did point in the right direction, up by just 2 points. In after-hours trade, we've seen better than expected earnings results come through from FedEx and Adobe, which lifted their shares by 9% and 2% respectively. However, if you looked at the US futures now, they're currently flat, indicating a hesitant start to Wall Street's open this evening, as investors are awaiting comments from the US Federal Reserve. As for us, the Aussie share market futures are suggesting the market will lift 0.8%, a welcome addition to this week's gain following the positive sentiment overseas. On the commodity side of things, the oil price got a kick, rising 3% to $38.39 US, really as US producers are battening down their hatches again, bracing for another hurricane, with over a fifth of US oil production shut and key exporting ports closed as well. The gold price is about $4 US less than it was yesterday. It's now $1,961 US an ounce, and the Aussie dollar has just nudged over 73 US cents, which is its highest level in exactly 3 weeks, as a safe haven US dollar continues to come under pressure, and it's now trading at about a week low. What to watch today? Well, the focus today is on new home sales data out for August. The previous reading did show that home sales significantly fell, about 11% in July, but today's read not expected to be as stark, so keep an eye on building material construction firms like Brickworks, BKW, CSR and Boral BLD. All three of these stocks, BKW, CSR and BLD, are backed as UBS buys, given that the economy is likely to rebound in the fourth quarter of this year. Elsewhere, Costa Group, CGC and Supply Network SNL both go ex-dividend today, transferring the dividend right to shareholders, so their shares could see some selling, so keep an eye on those. As for trading ideas that may be worth a look, well, after Citadel CGL's incredible 40% rally that we saw on Monday after they received that takeover offer at $5.70 a pop, which values the business at about $449 million. Well, Bell Potter has downgraded Citadel as a hold. And on the banking side of life, Bell Potter has scoured the entire market, taken a step back, looking at August 2020 reporting results for the banks. As for its coverage, Bell Potter upgraded MyState, MYS, but called MQG or Macquarie Bank as its top banking pick. ANZ is its preferred Big Four bank, while Suncorp, SUN, is its preferred regional diversified bank. Gold Resources, GOR and NWR Holdings, NWH, are giving off strong bullish signals, and that's according to Trading Central's data. If you take NWH, for example, it's indicating that their shares may rise from yesterday's close of $2.15 a share up to $2.56 to $2.66 over the next 15 trading days, and that's according to standard technical analysis principles. What's important to note though, for NWR, looking at their financial results, they showed an 80% lift in revenue to a record and a 77% jump in earnings. Quite phenomenal despite COVID. UBS called NWR as its standout buy stock and dubbed it as its key pick, with a $3.15 target, really playing to this recovery in the economy. As always, they're just ideas. Do your own homework. Stay safe. Happy trading.